Hi, welcome to part 2 of the Korean snacks mukbang. Without further ado, let's continue on with the taste test of other Korean snacks.
So on to the next snack.
Seaweed!
So this is actually from no brand. So pretty cool brand that is no brand.
Insert laughing sound.
Okay, anyways, my
Ow!
oh
I should open like this, right?
yeah, it's okay.
It's good. I'm feeling it's good.
I'm feeling it's good. It smells really good. Okay.
Green!
Introduce how it looks like.
Green!
Texture.
Rough!
Yeah, it's rough like his skin. So basically, it looks
Rough!
good. Smells salty with like a hint of seaweed.
Seaweed!
Seaweed.
Yeah. Prawn crackers? I don't know actually, but. So you know what? We'll go over the next one.
No, I think you should take another plate. We should take another plate.
Why?
You just put this at the side there. Then anything you just transfer if you want this here. Put it up, go back.
Wow.
Go, hurry.
Next on the list.
Next on the list. Next on the list.
Okay, so next we will try
Good.
this.
Sweet and spicy.
This is chicken pot right over here. I bought this from Daiso. Yeah. So we're gonna try it. Almost made a mistake.
Don't forget to drink water.
Don't forget to drink bubble tea.
Oh my god, I choked. Anyways,
Chicken pot. Are you okay?
pops.
He's just too excited to try chicken pops. This tastes kind of familiar. It's not bad, but it's not that good.
Anyways,
That's not that good, but it's not too bad. So what's your description of this?
tastes like a fried food.
Tastes like a glazed honey chicken kind of thing.
Tastes like fried food.
Glazed honey
Tastes
chicken.
like fried.
Okay, anyways,
Oh.
on to the next.
Next one.
This soybean mayo crispy sweet liver chip. I mean sweet rice liver chip. My friend introduced this to me. My friend introduced that to me, and I think it's a really interesting snack that you should definitely try when you go to Korea. Got this from Olive Young. It's a makeup slash beauty store, but somehow they have like
Beauty!
food too. So decided to give this a try because there was like a 2+1 deal. Okay, anyways, let me open this now.
Ready? Mayo!
Okay. Anyways, we've actually already tried this, but
No, we didn't.
we're gonna try it again.
What? Really? Oh my god.
It's seaweed with fried sauce thingy.
Shoot. Move aside. Let me get my mayo, boy.
I think it's better than This.
I'm 50-50 on both.
I prefer this a lot more.
This is one of my favorite, boy.
On to your next snack. We have
Calbee,
honey butter chips.
Calbee,
I know you can find this in Singapore, but
Calbee.
they're selling it for a pack. Like it was like on sale, like for 4 packs. But we cut it already, so it's yeah. 1 pack now.
Calbee. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, 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 ew.
Almost there. Not really. Okay, I got the scissors. Oopsies!
Interesting.
We got chips. Taste test.
Taste test.
So since you haven't tried it before, what's your first impression?
Taste yummy. Nah, it's not my thing, but maybe to you guys it will taste better, but
Is it too sweet or like why?
buttery.
I used to get this in the Korean mart in Singapore. Here's the next snack.
Okay. Hand of truth.
So this is basically some fish snack.
Fish.
I bought it in Busan. Let's try it. They actually had testers over there. So me and my friends tested a few of the snacks there, and I think this is the best one. So I'm gonna let my brother try it right now. I think he'll like it.
Fish.
How's it? Is it good? It's like a fish snack.
And taste the fish.
I like this. The aftertaste is good.
Yeah.
But when you first chew it, it's like tasteless a bit.
It's like weird because it's like sweet. It's weird on the fish. Supposedly you just want the fish, you know, essence, or at least from the food I've tried. It's a little bit sweeter. Texture is a little bit soft. Personal preference would obviously be like the fish crackers texture, but this isn't what it is. So, but it's still good though. Ow.
Seconds on it.
Sorry?
You want more?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay. We shall eat something sweet right now.
Sweet.
Okay. We're gonna try this traditional snack from Korea. If you have watched Squid Games, you'll know what this is. This is the dalgona candy. I'm not sure if it's like sweet or like biscuit sweet, but it looks pretty hard, so I guess it's sweet. It's like this. Show you how it looks like. Basically look like this. Candy, but they have like patterns on it. Can't really see it now though, but it's kind of melted-ish. Oh, yeah. Anyways, when you open it, you can give you a closer look. Yeah. Let me try one. Pick one. I think it's the hard one. Sticky.
Oh, it's a lollipop.
Yeah.
I didn't see the stick. Oh, sticky.
Oh, smells really sweet. Because technically it's just sugar, but
Eh.
oh, it's so hard. So
Heart
what's your-
shape.
Oh, it's hard too. I guess everything is hard then. Okay, it's like this, like heart shape. Come on, focus. Looks like that. But okay, so backstory. This is actually made from like burnt sugar. So probably that's why it tastes like that. If you have sweet tooth, this is for you. But if you're not a sweet tooth person, I think avoid this. The dalgona sweet was just not really for us. On to the next snack. Something really healthy. So now we will try the ginseng jelly that I bought.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's Korean red ginseng jelly, and it's the 6 years.
Okay, moving on. Just open it. Open.
Wow, you can smell it already. Smells herbal, smells really healthy. Probably not something a youngster would eat, but healthy. So basically, packaging is like that. So they have quite a lot of them inside. Yeah, so this one's for you. You have no choice, try it.
It's so big though.
Should we just try one then?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
okay, let's try one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm not sure though.
Oh, it looks healthy. Okay, so basically it's this orange thing. Oh my god.
What bright idea do you have if buying this?
It's really healthy. I actually
You
bought
have
it.
to eat half.
I bought it. The main reason why I bought this was to give it to my parents. Looks orangey, but we're gonna do a taste test. Yeah. Hopefully it's nicer than it smells. Okay, I'm gonna take like half. Yeah, half this.
Better be half. I'm watching you. Hey, bigger. Hey, 多次数第六。啊。
It's really sticky.
Oh my god, dude.
Wow. I feel healthier. Do you feel more awake? Oh my, so my my muscle spasm.
Yeah. Nah. No. Nah.
This is literally like tearing up.
Oh my god. Yummy. my god.
Okay, describe your.
Describe my experience? Wow. That was a wow ride of my life. It's like, you know, riding a roller coaster, but it doesn't stop going down.
I mean, like, it doesn't stop going down your throat, or like, what do you mean?
No, I mean like, you thought it's over, but apparently not. As you can see, I have swallowed it.
He's a liar. He spit it out.
But it's like, how to say, the taste, I still taste it in my mouth. That's what I meant by like going down the roller coaster, because like it doesn't stop. It just like, you know, it still tastes in your taste buds. So yeah, very tasty actually, very yummy. I would love it, 10 out of 10. If you want your kids to suffer, just give them this sweet.
Yeah.
But if they do like it, then that's my bad. Just
Healthy.
healthy.
I really recommend this to people that wants to like stay awake, or like basically wants to be healthy.
Or wants to go to the trip to the toilet real quick. But anyways, very yummy, very tasty. Get yours now.
Yeah. Get yours. We don't sell it though, but you can get it at Korea. He looks traumatized, but okay, you can plant your carrot with this.
I don't think it will help much. I'm back to normal. Okay, next one.
Are you down for the next snack? I'll give you chance right now. You can choose between this brownie and this.
Brownies.
Okay. So this is a new packaging. It's like welcome to Korea, Seoul edition.
I still taste it.
He is having a traumatic experience after eating that. He can taste it in his mouth still. He desperately needs something that tastes good. Wow, looks pretty cute. Looks like that. So cute. Can I have one? Now I have one. Oh, wrong side. So cute. This smells heavenly.
Sweet.
It's pretty good though. It's like kind of crispy on the outside and soft and moist on the inside.
Good, recommend, 10 out of 10. Ginseng 0/10.
On to the next snack, which is this.
Oh, I can see.
I don't really know what's this, but
Marshmallows.
oh, the packaging is really nice. They have like words inside. Like,
Bro, I still can taste that ginseng. Oh. Squishy.
look at that.
It's actually squishy.
Oh, it's marshmallow chocolate.
Taste test.
How's it?
It's like mochi.
It's like mochi with peanut. Yeah.
Peanut? It looks like chocolate. Tastes like chocolate.
Oh really? Wait, let me bite more into the center.
I don't see any peanut.
Oh, is it chocolate? Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it's like mochi like texture with chocolate coated outside and chocolate filling inside. What's that? Wait, I don't know which the brand. Oh, it's from Lotte.
Lotte! All these videos, all these foods are not sponsored. So anybody who's willing to sponsor, please sponsor. Thank you. Good.
It's quite unique. Okay, I'll put this down first.
I won't.
Okay. We still have quite a bit of snacks.
Mmm.
Okay. Let's try some gummy now. Since this is like squishy, we're gonna try something squishy too. Gummy, squishy. Okay, so basically this is a sour gummy. Looks really cute packaging. It has a really cute packaging and I got it from Olive. Yeah.
Yay!
Smells orangey.
Tangerine. Mandarin orange.
Yeah, it smells mandarin like. Okay, so basically it has like salt around the the gummy.
Sour. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, is it?
Sour. Oh. I like how. Oh.
My eyes are twitching. My eyebrows.
I like how it tasted fine, but then it became sour.
Oh, this is sour, more sour than the the candy.
Sour candy.
Kind of sure if Aiden ate all. All of the outside is not. The outside is a sugar. Inside is sour. I thought it was sugar, like salt outside. Whoa.
Nice.
It's like after the sweet, you feel the salt. My muscle is having like spasms from the sourness. If you really like sour sweets, or like you want to test your endurance for sour things, try this. 100% recommend. Next up, we have this Choco Banana, which we actually already opened. It's from No Brand. I bought it together with the seaweed snack. Okay, it comes in a package like that. This is actually pretty good. I would recommend getting this, even though it's slightly pricier, but it's really good.
Choco.
Banana.
It's like waffle, but you mix it with chocolate and banana. Sweet, definitely. But you can still taste the banana, which is good about it. They probably mix the chocolate with banana inside. The filling, as you can see in the middle. No, you can't see anything but yeah. On to the next one.
Next one, we have another one of my favorite. Guess what is this? Mint chocolate and banana. Really good. I actually opened one pack in Korea already, but now I'm just bringing back to share with my brother.
Chef just opened it in Korea. Anyway. One. Okay. Long.
So basically this is kind of like a corn snack.
Oh,
Yeah, corn snack, but like
looks cool.
corn snack but coated with mint chocolate. The biscuit is banana, flavored, and it has like mint over it. It's green and yellow. It tastes weird at first, but it's very refreshing.
It's like a yellow color pack snack, you know. I don't know what it's called. What? Yeah.
You just followed, by the way.
No, I didn't.
Okay, here's your next snack.
Oreos. Mint. Next one.
It's kind of too bright. Okay.
Next on our list.
He picked it up. Another one of my favorite. It's the mint choco Oreo that I found in Korea. So basically they come in 2 packs.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Oh.
2 packs. This is kind of like, oh, I thought it would be like Oreo Teens, but no. It looks like normal Oreo. Doesn't look like the Oreo Teens, but looks like normal thick Oreo.
Next one.
We're nearing the end.
Lotte.
This is called Crunchy. It's a crunch chocolate. I think you can find this in Singapore too, but
Crunchy.
it's cheaper there. Bought it. Yeah. So actually when I was in Korea, they actually had an Oreo pop-up store. And we really wanted to go there, but the waiting time was so long. We were there at like probably 2 p.m. but we could only enter at 6:30. So we decided not to go. On to the taste test.
Sweetest. If you guys want to speedrun diabetes, I recommend this. It's yummy, it's delicious, but always comes with a cost.
Next! Yakwa. Also one of my favorite snacks. Basically, it looks like a flower. This snack tastes really good. Flower. This is the mini version. I don't know. They've shown this a lot on Alchemy of Souls. Oh, you revive. Describe how it tastes to you.
This and ginseng can fight for the spot.
stealing my bubble tea.
Yummy.
We have 2 more snacks left.
Can you guess what it is? It is a skewer.
It's Korean traditional taffy. I bought it from Nami Island. This caught my eye and I decided to buy it and try it. I've waited so long to try this. So let's open it up now.
Packaging cool. Packaging cool.
Did it melt? Oh my god, it melted.
Sorry guys, we didn't put it in the fridge.
Oh my god. No way. I don't think it's supposed to look like that.
Milk tea.
It's
Interesting.
made from gapyeong pine nuts. Time to try. At first I thought it would be like yogurt's kind. It's just wow. Sticky. Not bad. But it's very difficult to eat.
I'm trying my hardest not to make it stick to my teeth. I'm working wonders.
Really unique snack.
Unique!
On to the last and final snack. I think this looks one of the most unique too. So my friend introduced this to me. She said it's like one of her favorite. So I bought it to try it.
Last one.
Last snack, and he'll be free.
I'm being held prisoner. Please help me. Thank you.
So my friend said, my friend said we should heat it up. Should we heat it up?
How long is the heating up?
Like 1 minute probably.
Go ahead.
So she said we should heat it up, but I think I'll break it into half and then we'll eat like half cold and half warm. Maybe?
It's definitely corn.
Oh yeah, I think it's corn. Smell it.
Yeah.
It's corn. Okay, so basically it's corn. I'm going to split this into half and we'll be right back. So I split it into 2. So we're gonna heat one up right now. I'm gonna start the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, let me just stop and check. I think it's done. It's like sizzling and it's really soft and hot right now. I think I cooked it for too long, but smells good though. Smells kind of like popcorn. Got the goods. You see the burnt section? This is the heated up version. Kind of hot still, but let it cool down first and we'll try the cold version.
Your teeth had to be made of steel.
Wait, I think you did something wrong. I don't think I'm supposed to eat it like that.
Nah.
Wait, I don't think I'm supposed to eat it like that. Is this better?
A little bit better.
Oh. It's still kind of soft when heated up. It's better hot.
Yep. The flavors are more better.
So I think you have to like fry it or something.
It's like beef jerky.
Yeah. It's not really... Oh. Oh. Maybe I'm supposed to heat it up more, like fry it instead. It's actually crunchy. I think I should cook it longer and try it again. Alright. Not bad. But you can't eat it off like that. You have to heat it up first. Recommend. It's a corn snack. That looks like that. It comes in a few packets. So make sure you remove the packaging before you heat it up. This is not the last snack. I was wrong. So my friend actually went to Jeju, so she brought me a few snacks from there to try. You have this peanut one, peanut pie, and we have this mandarin biscuit,
Mandarin Jatok chocolate chip.
mandarin chocolate chip biscuit,
Jatok.
and we have this milka. Which one do you open? You want to eat first? Choose one.
Orange.
Orange? Okay. Apparently Jeju is really well known for their mandarin stuff, so I'm gonna try that now. Oh,
Sour.
it looks like that.
Cookie.
It's kind of broken, but it's chocolate chip cookie with mandarin. Looks like that. Oh, it has mandarin inside. Do you see this? Here. The mandarin is actually like jelly-like and sticky.
Mochi.
Yeah. With the chocolate chip, I think it's nice. Let's try this premium peanut pie. Oh. Technically, it's not a full pie anymore because it's kind of crushed. Basically, it's chocolate pie, but peanut version. It's all crumbly. It's like crumbling. Oh.
Sticky.
It's just biscuit with marshmallow with the peanut filling. Okay, we have the final snack. Milka. It's called the Choco Moo. I think this has potential to be good. Oh, it's Choco Moo because it's cow shaped.
Moo.
Let me show you. I survived. Okay. There's 3 pieces inside. It's this with chocolate at the back. I think this is one of the most normal snacks.
And sometimes normal is better.
Really cute too. Anyways, that's all for today. Bye bye.
Bye bye.